Hello, hello. Today I would like to talk to you about how to create and edit files using just the command line. So let's dive right in. This is the command line. I have a folder prepared, and if I want to create a new file, you can use a command called touch. By the way, the things that I'm talking about today are specifically for Mac and Linux. For Windows, some of these things might look a little bit different, so be aware of that. So I can use the touch command to create a new blank file with nothing in it. I use say touch and edit the file name. Let's call it world.txt. If I look in the folder, I can see that the file has been created. Now, if I would like to edit this file, Mac and Linux give me two options. I can use either a command called vi or vim, or I can use a command called nano. Both those are names of editors for the command line. And vi and vim is basically a more complex way to edit it, and you will find a lot of memes on the internet for interacting with it because it is so difficult. But at the same time, it's also very powerful, and there are lots of developers who really like using it and use it as a productivity tool. Nano, on the other hand, is a little bit easier, and one of the main reasons it is easier is because it actually tells you right in the interface the commands that you need to interact with it. So let's look at it. I type in nano and then the file name and hit enter, and now I am in the editor and I can start editing it. Now, if I want to exit this, I can actually see at the bottom of the screen that the command for exiting is like a little arrow and X. And this little arrow means stands for the control key. So I hold Control X to exit the file, and now it asks me if I want to save. I hit Y, and now I close the file and saved it. If I open it again, and here's a little tip, if you use the arrow up key on your keyboard, you can just repeat the same command that you previously typed in and hit enter. You see my edits are there, and I can continue working in the file and add some text. That's all I wanted to show you for today. I hope this was helpful and gives you some insight on how to edit files, for example, on a server or whenever you don't have a graphical user interface or editor installed to interact with your files for whatever reason. See you next time.